Hello guys and welcome back to yet another edition of 14 Thursday. With you is Oluwakorewa. Today is a very lucky day for all of us. 3 numbers only, no permutation, just 3 numbers only. Let's go guys. But in case this is the first time you're coming across this channel, welcome to this wonderful YouTube channel, your Shreks blog. When it comes to online Ghana prediction, Ghana Lotto only. If that is your purpose online this morning, if that is why you're on YouTube today, best advice for you to do, my best advice for you right now is to consider clicking on that subscribe button now so that you don't miss this channel, and turn on the notification bell as we don't post videos every day. So if you are an existing subscribers, thank you for coming. And after showing you this plan, tell me your kind opinion in the comment section. Without further ado guys, let's dive straight into the second time working plan, and I'm taking you on the third time again. You know as it be for here now, as it hot. Let's go straight. The first time this is setting is on midweek board. At event number 400, 13 play in second ball winning. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down, 35 to play in last ball winning. The following week, 14 will play first ball winning. And on 14 Thursday current, at event number 964, 13 play in position, second ball winning. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down, 35 in position. After 35 maintain position, 14 would maintain first ball winning. After 14 maintain first ball winning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 84 to play fourth ball winning. 6 weeks down from 14 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks from there, 84 to maintain fourth ball position. After 84 maintain this position, fourth ball in winning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 14 in position should jump back to position. 85 will go to +1 in position. Now let's go on this one too. From 84 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 14 in position to return to position, play with 85 in position. After these two numbers maintain position again, 1, 2, 3 weeks down, 81 to play second ball machine. When these two numbers maintain position on the current, 1, 2, 3 weeks down, 81 will maintain position. It will play with 49 in the machine. Now after 81 play to position, 14 in position that move to position, 14 should turn back. Supplied us 1 free banker. This game supplied us 2 direct that day. It showed us 19 and 41. Now on this one as well, when 85 maintain position, is telling us 14 that move from position to position, 14 should turn, play with 19. Our 2 direct dropped here live. Now how did we discover 19? I'm coming back to how we discovered 19. Let us treat this one as a plan. Now forget 19, keep 19 aside for now. This game showing us 41 to turn. Let's assume we just have 41 now. Now what is it telling us? It said after 41 please, 1, 2, 3 weeks down. After 41 play, 4th week today. After 41, it's landing us here, and this working plan is landing us here after 41. Now 1, 2, 3 after 41, this one played 62 to winning, single 6 to machine. After 41 here, 1, 2, 3 weeks, this played single 6 to winning and 62 to the machine. I'm coming. We have this game in 2 places. Let's go treat it with the second one. Let's go treat it this way. On Sunday special, we have it again on Sunday special. So now let's take it this way. When 14 and 84, please. They said 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down, 64. The one we're following here said when 14 and 85, please. 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down, 19. The current played us this exact game. It said when these two numbers play in position 1, 2, 3, 4. We have either 19 or 64 want to play with 41 that event already proved to us. Okay, now after he played this, what is the next free banker? It's telling us after 64 plays 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down again, 54 will play last ball winning. On this one as well, this as well is telling us after 19 plays. After 19 play here, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down, free banker 54. After 54, not just 54 in last ball, it should play with 52 and single 6. Just 3 numbers. This as well is telling us after 64, the one that used 64 said 1, 2, 3, 4. 54 will play with 52 and single 6. 3 numbers showing live. Now observe something here. This one on the board that is doing working plans that is landing us on this event. Last week it played 62 to machine, single 6 to winning. He said single 6 in winning would repeat. Just like this, the working plan we are having here as well. Last week he played 62 to machine, single 6 to winning. He said single 6 will repeat. And on this plan now, this is also showing us single 6, 52, 54. I wish us best of luck. If you find any other thing in this video that you think I'm not pointing out or I skip, please put it in the comment section. Nobody is an island of knowledge, like I always say, and you too can discover something I did not discover. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you to the person that called my the people that called my attention to the first video I posted this morning, that was able to correct my mistake. That is one of the power of the comment section. When you see something, don't keep quiet, just put it in the comment section. Thank you to those people that called my attention to the mistake I made on that video before I took it down. So if you find value in this content, please like this video for me so that I'll be able to post another video. If I don't get enough engagement, I'll be able to post this kind of video again. Share this contact. Most importantly, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Until I see you guys again, do enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.